Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up Mexico tourist card when you travel to Mexico for tourism purposes. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries have arrival card facilities or something relevant where when you travel to the country you can fill this form and then they get the information that they commonly seek from incoming passengers. So in front of you I have opened this tourist card. This is not a visa, okay, don't confuse it with the visa. So they have written that all international visitors to Mexico must obtain a digital tourist card. This is issued based on your citizenship, passport information, visa requirements, and airport of entry. Some airport requires a printed copy of your tourist card. Fill the form below to get a link and instruction how to download, okay, and have it ready when requested. So it's always good to have a printed copy too, right? So they have given the step. So you're gonna start application here. So the very first thing they are asking here is the airport where you're gonna land. So if you have booked the flight already, you know where you're gonna land, right? You have all the information. So I select this one. You need to do as per your case. Which date you are arriving? Let's say you are arriving on 31st May. And when you are departing, let's say you are departing on 15th. Okay, they have given the information that what are the things you need. Passenger arrival, departure, main contact email, main contact cell phone. And 5 travelers can register in a single form. And this is official immigration document, mandatory and 100% free. So don't get into any fake websites where they ask. Of course, I will not be submitting it, but I'm just going through a sample. Contact email. Phone number it has asked. So you need to do as per your case. So if you are traveling from India, put India, whatever, like, no, no, this is about your phone number, like which country phone number you have, because you may have a different phone than nationality too. I'm just putting sample. How many passengers, including you? One. Okay, now this is the last page. You click terms and condition and submit. So of course I'm not gonna do, but you got an idea so how you can do that. So with this you can do. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel.